Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math. I gotta hurry up making these videos because they're about to kick me out the building and be like, Miss Alana, get out. So we're working on today's assignment. It is Monday, December the 12th. And let me read the standard. Read it with me. It says, number and operations in base 10. Understand the place value system. MGSE 5 and BT4. It says use place value, understanding to round decimals up to the hundredths place. Round each number to the given place value. Circle or highlight the place value that you are rounding to. So this is almost like what we did last week. The only difference is what? What do you see that's different? I did not underline what you need to round to, but I gave you the place. So this is going to see, do you know your place value? Do you know? All right, let's begin. The first one says 2 and 94 hundredths, and we need to round to the tenths place. So what I want you to do is find the digit in the tenths place. Do you know which one? Is it the 2, the 9, or the 4? Tenths place is the number, the digit right after the decimal, so that's the 9. So look, highlight it just like that. You see that? All right, now. So same thing we're going to do like we did last week. We are going to look to the right, which is what? It's the 4. So hi, number 4. Number 4. Look right there. Look. Hi, number 4. So the rules are, same thing we did like last week, is that less than 5 or 5 or more. It is, look at it. That 4, not the 9. The 4 is less than 5, which means the 9 does what? It stays the same, and then the 4 becomes a 0. So just like that. Or you don't need that 0 at the end, so you can write 2 and 9 tenths. See, we're rounding to the tenths, so you could just stop at the tenths. All right, are you good? Let's look at the next one. The next one says 83 and 706 thousandths, and we're rounding that to the hundredths place. All right, you find the digit in the hundredths place, and if you don't have a highlighter, you can use a colored pencil or a crayon, or you could circle it, hundredths place. Which one is that? It's the second digit after the decimal. So we have the decimal, then tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So which one is that? Bam, right there, 0. Did you know that? All right, so it's a 0. So now we look to the right, and what's to the right of that? That is a 6. Look, it's a 6 right there. So is that 6 less than 5 or 5 or more? Look, it's 5 or more, so what happens to that 0? It becomes a 1. It increases by 1, so it becomes a 1. So we have 83 and 710 thousandths. Look, just like that. Or you can drop that 0, dropping you 0, and we have 83 and 71 hundredths. Bam. All right, you think you can do the rest? If you can't, go ahead and do it. If not, I'll help you with the rest. Number 3, read that number. It says 128 thousandths, and we're rounding that to the tenths place. So which digit is in the tenths place? And look at number 1. We did it in number 1. Number 1, there's the tenths place. There's the tenths place. No, not that one. That's hundredths place. So that digit, the 1. So highlight that 1. And we're looking at what digit? The 2. So look to the right. Bam, right there. Is that 2? Okay, highlight. Draw your arrow. Show your work, just like I do. Is that digit less than 5 or 5 or more? Less than 5, so what happens to that 1? It stays the same, and then the rest become zeros. So I have 0, 1, 0, 0. Or you could just write 1/10, just like that. All right, are we good? Let's look at the next one, number 4. Number 4 says 94 and 563 thousandths. And we're rounding to the ones place. Which one is in the ones place? The 4. The 4. It's the number before the decimal. Remember, it's a part of the whole number. So it's that 4. And that 4 looks to the right. Hi, number 5. Hi, Try number 5. Hi, number 5. And is that 5 less than 5 or 5 or more? It's 5 or more, so what happens to the 4? It increases by 1. So we have what? 95, and that's it. The rest becomes zeros. Or you could just write the 95 by itself. It's the same thing. Same thing, just like that. And let's take a look at number 5. Number 5, read that number. It says 1 and 743 thousandths. Which digit is in the hundreds place? If you forgot, refer back to number 2. It's the second digit after the decimal, and that digit is the 4. Highlight that. Look to the right. Hi, number 3. Hi, number 3. Is that less than 5 or 5 or more? It is less than 5, so that 4 does what? Stays the same. Write down your answer while I write mine. 1 and 700 thousandths. Or you can just write just like that. No, I messed up. No, hold on. I need that 4. Okay, I messed up. I was stopping at that 7. That's the tens place. You need to stop at that hundreds place, which is a 4. So, I need to white out. 1 and 74 hundredths. 1 and 740 thousandths. All right, you got that? That's why you should use pencil. All right, I'm done with this one. Moving on to the next question before they kick me out of the building. All right, see you.